Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a Mexican lasagna in the oven, not a slow cooker meal. And I will have the ingredients on screen so you can take a screenshot. But basically what you're gonna need is 1 pound of ground beef. And then you're gonna need some taco seasoning. I'm gonna do my own taco seasoning. So I have some chili powder, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, ground cumin, and I have a tomato, chicken, bouillon cube. You can do a beef bouillon cube. I also have some taco sauce, half a brick of cream cheese. I'm gonna dice up probably half of this tomato, some diced bell pepper and onion right here. And then for my cheeses, I have mild cheddar, and I'm going to shred up some of this, and Monterey Jack. And you could do flour tortillas, but I'm going to do corn tortillas because my husband likes them. So I'm going to get my tomato chopped up. I'm going to start browning up this meat, and I'll be back with you shortly. I have my meat browned up, and I drained all the grease. So now I'm going to start adding my seasonings and my bouillon cube, and then I also need a half cup of water I have right here. And then after I add all that, I'm going to add in this half brick of cream cheese and half a cup of some taco sauce. So I have my casserole dish right here. It's already greased and ready to go. So first what I'm going to do is lay down some of this sauce, meat sauce. I'm going to layer in some tortillas, more meat sauce, cheese, and you're just going to repeat that all the way through. I added a little bit more cheese, so now I'm going to cover this. And I have my oven already preheated to 350. I'm going to bake it for 25-30 minutes, just until everything is hot and bubbly. And I will show you guys the end result when it comes out. I just took this out. I had it covered for 30 minutes, and then I cooked it for another 10 minutes, and then I just kind of broiled it a little bit for like 3 minutes. This is what it looks like. I'm going to let this sit for at least like 10 minutes before I cut into it and show you the final reveal. Alright, I'm about to dig in this. can see, it's pretty ooey gooey in there. Looks delicious. There it is, everybody. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know, like and subscribe, and let me know if you try out this recipe. I will see you in my next video. Have a blessed day.